Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have an 07 Honda Accord in our shop, and we're going to be showing you how to remove and install the front sway bar links. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. 19mm socket to loosen up the lug nuts. Now I'm going to raise and support my vehicle with my 2-post lift. You can use jack stands with jack. And now we're clear to remove the tire. 14mm wrench. I'm going to break that nut free, and then of course it's going to spin. So I'm going to have to hold the inner part of it. There is an Allen head right here, but there's no way I can get there from that wishbone. I can do it on the top one, but not on the lower. So I'm going to have to hold the inner piece of metal with a pair of locking pliers. Make sure you can get your wrench out. There we go. I'm going to remove the upper sway bar link to the sway bar. 14mm wrench again. See how much we can get before it starts to spin. It's spinning. Okay, so I'll put some locking pliers on the back just like I did on the bottom. See if I can hold that from. Wonderful. Now we can remove the sway bar link from the actual link and control arm. I'm going to just take a pry bar and see if I can pry that free. And to install the front sway bar link, it's just basically to reverse procedure. I like to put the sway bar link into the top of the sway bar first. The new nuts are a 15mm, not a 14, and it still has the Allen head in the center, which is a 5mm Allen head. So now I'm going to put the lower one in, start the nut. With the wishbone in the way, I have found that it's kind of difficult to put an Allen head in there and hold that. So you're going to have to use a pair of the needle nose vice grips like I did to remove it. Just being careful not pinching the new boot. Using a gear wrench, ratchet wrench. I'm going to snug that as tight as I can, pretty much as tight as I can get it, because I'm going to end up torquing it. Now I'm going to start the bottom. Put a pair of locking pliers on there, needle nose locking pliers. See if I can catch it without pinching that boot, as careful as I can be. I'm going to put a longer wrench on here to tighten this, because obviously I can't get a torque wrench in there. So the specs for this is 22 foot-pounds. Now I can put a torque wrench on the top. So we're going to torque this to 22 foot-pounds. Okay. Now we're ready to put our wheel back on. I'm just going to snug them up by hand, then I'll lower it down on the ground, put the weight of the vehicle on it, and I'll torque the wheel to 80 foot-pounds. 19mm socket we're going to torque the wheel to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Double check. Now we're going to repeat the process on the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.